Okay, friends, we're ready for math. So I want you to look in your packet and I want you to find these two pages. So you're going to start with page 249 and we're going to do the front and the back of this one. It has some red circles at the bottom. Then you're going to find page 253. And we're going to do those two pages today. They look about the same, so you're going to get to do some extra practice with both of those. So if you look, you're going to see that these equations look a little different. The answer is at the beginning instead of the two numbers that we put together to make how many all together. So let's think about that for a minute. We're going to talk about number partners. So on these pages, you're going to see some rectangles that are going to have some circles. Some of the circles will be colored, some won't. And here is your break apart stick. So we can make our break apart stick a little bit bigger. So there's our break apart stick. So we see the number 3 first. That means we're looking at the number partners of 3. So 3 equals 2 plus 1. So if you look at the picture on your paper, it's the first one by the number 1 orange circle. It says 3 equals 2 plus 1. So we see that we have 3 circles all together. 2 of the circles are colored, then there's the break apart stick and the other circle that is not colored. That's showing us the number partners. So we know that 3 equals 2 plus 1. 2 red circles colored in plus 1. 1 circle is on the other side, 2 circles are on this side of the break apart stick. So the break apart stick shows us the number partners. On these pages, you are going to see that you're going to do number partners for the number 3, for 5, for 6, 4, and 10 on the first page. So let's look and see how we're going to do it. See, the 3 is done for us. 3 equals 2 plus 1. Right here, the break apart stick is going to move over to the left. So the break apart stick has moved. What number partners are we showing now? I have 1 blue circle. So that is going to be my first number because that's the first circle and we start at the left. So I know that 3 also has the number partners of 1 plus 2. What is that? That's a switch. 1 plus 2. So 3 equals 1 plus 2. The pictures already are here for you. All you need to do is look where the break apart stick is. This is going to be my first number. This is going to be my second number. So for the number partners of 5, we see that 5 equals 4 plus 1. 4 green circles, 1 white circle. Now the break apart stick is going to move over. How many circles do we see on this side? 3 plus 2. So we know that 5 equals 3 plus 2. So 3 and 2 are number partners of 5. Right here, you're going to show some more number partners for 5. Right here, you're going to show number partners for 6. Right here, you're going to show number partners for 4. And here for 10. Oops, there we go. And you're going to turn it over, and guess what you get to do? You get to do some addition and, looks, no subtraction today, just addition, okay? So you're going to finish that too. The next page is just the same. You're going to do some number partners on this side, and then on this side, you get to do subtraction. Now these are bigger numbers for subtraction. You are going to be subtracting with bigger numbers. So Mrs. Hoffman wants to show you. I want you to use your whiteboard for the subtraction today. So I'm going to show you a couple of those and how I would like you to do them. So the first one says 9 minus 1. I want you to draw 9 circles. Remember to double check your circles to make sure you have the correct number. So I'm going to check my circles. I drew them, but I want to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 circles. I'm correct. And it says 9 minus 1. So am I going to add a circle or am I going to cross one out? I'm going to cross one out. So I know that 9 minus 1 equals, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I have 9 circles and I take away 1 circle, I have 8 left. Okay, let's look at the next equation. It says 10 minus 4. It's right here. 10 minus 4. So this time I'm going to draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, I went all the way to the end. So I have 10 circles, but I want to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many am I going to take away? It says I'm going to take 4 circles away. This is the one I'm doing right here. 10 minus 4. So, am I going to cross out circles or am I going to make new circles? I'm going to cross out circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I started with how many? I started with 10 and I subtracted 4. How many are left? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that 10 minus 4 equals 6. I want you to use your whiteboards today when you do these subtraction problems, and then you get to help Puzzled Penguin. Have someone in your family help you read. And remember, Puzzled Penguin always has some trouble, so we have to help him. Okay, that's a lot of math today. I want you to do that carefully and take your time. And then remember, you're going to save all your papers so that Mrs. Hoffman can see them when we're together again. Good job on math today.